Hello everyone, this is Scott at Incar. I am here to give you a video tutorial, really quick one, on how to do keyframing in Vapor 2. Keyframing is a feature that allows you to set certain positions of the camera and have the camera smoothly move in between those positions that you set. So I'll get started. You can see on my screen right now I have a flow renderer with a single particle and an image below over here that I've configured. This is a Hurricane Katrina data set, and here in my image tab, typical enabling and disabling of a renderer. That's my image turning on and off, and over here is my flow. I can turn that on and off, and it's just a basic scene for demonstration purposes. Keyframing comes into play over here on the left in the animation tab. So I'm going to click on that, and there's this frame down here that says keyframe settings. And basically what I'm going to do is this box right here, our key index box, is probably the most valuable player amongst all these parameters in this frame. This designates key camera positions that we will be interpolating in between. So right now we're on key index number 0, and I think I have a good perspective for demonstration purposes, so I'm going to go ahead and click Set Current Key. So now key index 0 has been positioned to what my camera position is right now. Next, I'm going to just rotate my scene 90 degrees along the Z-axis to my next spot. I'm going to insert a new keyframe, and you can see that my key index has gone up to 1. I'm going to set my current key to my position of the camera right now, so that'll be associated with key index 1. And then for my final position, I'm just going to go look straight down the Z-axis. So I'm going to insert another keyframe, set current key, and that's pretty much it. So now that my keyframes have been set, I can go down to key index 0, go to that key, and here we are at the original position. In order to play my, my sequence forward, I can click Enable Keyframing, and then just press the play icon, and that'll play me forwards in time, and you can see how the camera is now positioning itself over to keyframe number 2 and now swings up to the very top. If you want to capture an image sequence, it's done in the same way as is usually done in Vapor. You just click on Capture, Capture Image Sequence in Visualizer number 0, and you'll be prompted to please give us a citation, and then you just name your files with the prefix of your choice, and then Vapor will spit out a file for every single position that the camera moves in between the keyframes that you've specified. There are ways to adjust your keyframe sequence in time. If you want to animate your sequence while the camera is moving, you can do that with a time step parameter. And you can also change the speed that the camera moves between the keyframes. You can make it slower or faster. And there's more documentation on this online. I'll post a link at the bottom of the video, and you guys can use that for future reference. But hopefully this has been enough of a example so that you guys can take it from here, read the documentation if you need to go further. And as always, if you have further questions, email us at vapor@ucar.edu, and we can help you out in person. All right, thank you.